This is our handstand tutorial. So we're gonna start by doing one L pose, which is really the prep for handstand. So if you're building handstand practice, this is where you start. With your back against the wall and your legs forward, you're measuring a leg's distance away from the wall. So you're gonna scoot around, you'll place your hands where your heels are and your feet up against the wall. You'll be in a hands and knees position. Good. Take a short down dog against the wall. So your heels will be against the wall. It'll feel very close. Now here are the 3 main points for every handstand. Your hands have to be rooted. Your arms are straight and strong, and you're doing good shoulder loop. And you can see at the crisscross of Tina's shirt, the shoulders are hugging on the back. There's a little divot here. That's what we want. Looking toward your thumbs will help you maintain that. Step 1 foot up hips height. If you feel like you're sliding off the wall, you just have to work your shoulders. Step the other foot up. You can keep your knees bent, or as Tina's doing, straightening your legs. You can look wherever once you're up, but your heart is moving back toward the wall as the thighs press up to the wall. Now this L shape, hips over shoulders, is what we're going for when we kick up into handstand. Come back down, Tina. Good. Let's come in a down dog on the mat. So here's the next variation so you can see what we're going for. So often just having the direction. We're not necessarily trying to kick our heels over our shoulders. That's the last piece. What we're trying to get is hips over the shoulders. So step 1 foot in about halfway, lift the other leg up. Now I'm gonna just help Tina here so we can really demo this. You kick into an L shape. So when you kick up, lower that leg down again, I want you kicking up here and then very strategically lifting the other leg up. Lower the leg I'm not holding, Tina, and lower back down. So you're focusing on hopping into an L shape. Take a second to rest. So 3 main points: hands rooted, arms straight and strong, shoulder blades on the back. That's the first group of points that are essential. And then this next piece is hips over the shoulders. Okay, so Tina, let's do a little hopping into an L shape. Don't even worry about hitting handstand. Just hop with that straight leg and hop hips over shoulders. Whoosh. That's it, hips over shoulders. Okay, and now hips over shoulders, kick up. You can use the wall, of course. You'd be kicking up against the wall. Now here's how you practice the lightness, both coming in and out. Lower one leg down as slowly as possible. Trying to keep the hips over the shoulders the whole time. Rest again, child's pose. So we're gonna do 2 more variations against the wall. The descent out of the handstand is really a great opportunity to cultivate, as I just said, the lightness in the posture. So Tina, I'm gonna have you face the wall if you're okay on this surface, and we're gonna kick up into a regular handstand, and then you're gonna practice that slow descent down just so it's illustrated at the wall. So come into hands and knees, just far enough away from the wall that you're not gonna bump your head. So, yep. And then go ahead into your down dog, hands rooted, arms straight and strong. Remember, shoulder blades on the back. Here I want you looking forward toward the wall. And then you're gonna hop, and you're gonna try to hop hips over shoulders. Whew. Yeah, great. And then the legs follow. Now here's how we practice the lightness. Lower one leg down, trying to keep your butt back the whole time. Yes, try to keep your heel on the wall as long as you can. Keep lowering the leg, and at a certain point, it's gonna come off the wall, and then you slowly come back down, okay? That's your one tool. This is your next one, which is the hardest one. Are you ready? Okay, last one. Jumping both legs, coming down slowly with both legs, okay? Against the wall. Now, some of you aren't gonna be able to jump up with both legs. You can kick up and then try to come down with both legs slowly. You definitely only wanna be a couple inches away from the wall, just far enough that you're not gonna hit your head. So plant your hands. Feet together, squeeze them together like crazy. That's gonna help you. And jump up both legs. I'm gonna help Tina, because she's been doing yoga for a while now. Yes. Now very slowly bend your knees, stick your butt out, stick your butt out, stick your butt out, and slowly curl the knees in and land, okay? So that should give you a few tools to play with, especially when you're hitting pause and you're working handstands in our regular classes. Coming to this tutorial, hopefully that'll give you a little bit to work on.